All right, you guys. For our next box that I received in my P.O. box, our next package. This is from, I don't know who. I don't know who. Gloria. Thank you so much, Gloria, for my package. I'm so excited. Okay. So there's some tape on here, y'all. So I just want to thank people that have reached out that want to send me stuff. And I'm just like, I be lost of words, you guys. People are so kind. They don't even know me. They just want to send me stuff. Oh my God, I got another one of my cups. Okay, so I can have one at home and one at school. Literally. I love when I can have two of things because I literally can keep one at home and one at school. Thank you so much, Gloria. I absolutely love it. Oh, stop it. Where did you even find this? How cute is this, you guys? And the strappy handle? Stop it. Stop it. Okay. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love cups. I love Hello Kitty. I love pink. And I'm so happy. This is amazing. You're amazing. Thank you so much, Gloria. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, this is our last box that I received in my P.O. box. My package. I keep saying my box. This is from Victoria. Remember, she made me this banner for my classroom, you guys. And I just really want to cry. That is so amazing. So, I'm going to tag her. So, please make sure you go show her love. Go order you a banner. Go tell her that she's so tea and she's so amazing, because she is. And I'm also going to hang this up in my classroom so you will be able to see it hung up. So I don't want to mess it up, you guys. So I'm just really going to just show you when I hang it up in my classroom. But as you can see, she did this. And I've already seen what it looks like because she sent me a picture. But thank you so much, y'all. Okay, in the next clip, you're going to see this hanging up in my classroom. And I want you to flood her comments and flood her with a lot of love. Order from her, share her page. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this for me. I am so grateful. And your talent is amazing. Your kindness is amazing. And thank you for being amazing.